Hey guys, welcome back to another construction update, and this construction update is massive because there is track on site. I will show you as we get closer, but this was definitely one of the more exciting ones. But yeah, not much has changed outside of the park. And as you can see the track and support sort of through the fence. Now we are inside the park. Not much has changed on the inside of the park.
How many are there? There's only 6.
Honestly, the colors aren't my favorite, but it might look nice in this area of the park. But it is exciting that there's finally track. I don't know how I feel about the 2 colors, but I'm guessing I will get used to it. But I will keep you guys updated on more track shipments. I bet you vertical construction does start pretty soon. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and bye.